Good morning, students. We are studying the last chapter from your English reader literature, that is A Bad Dream. In that chapter, we have characters Mr. Hill, Mrs. Hill, Annie, Briggs, Winter. So, up to here, what we have studied, that Winter and Briggs came to Mr. Hill to ask about his resignation. The whole bank employees wanted Mr. Hill to resign from the bank, and then Mr. Hill had to agree with them to resign. Then Mr. Hill came to know that Mrs. Hill was also leaving. When he learnt about his losing his job, she was leaving to have a holiday. Now, students, from here we will study. Mrs. Hill goes out of the room. Mr. Hill to himself. Now, Mr. Hill is talking to himself. This is a terrible afternoon. I have lost my job. Now, my wife has gone too. He was saying that this afternoon is very bad. So bad it is that I have lost my job and even my wife has also left me. Then there is a knock at the door and Annie comes in. So after knocking the door, Annie enters in the room. Mr. Hill, what is it, Annie? Do you want to leave too? Then Mr. Hill, he was feeling disgusted. Mr. Hill, he asked Annie that, Annie, do you also want to leave? Then Annie, leave, sir? I came about the tea, sir. It's almost 4 o'clock. Shall I bring tea, sir? Then Annie was surprised. Leave, sir? I don't want to leave. I came here to ask about your tea. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. Shall I bring the tea, sir? Then Mr. Hill, so you don't want to leave, are you sure? Then Mr. Hill, he made sure that Annie doesn't want to leave. Mr. Hill, I have lost my job. Did you know that? Then Mr. Hill asked Annie, that you know, Annie, that I have lost my job. Annie, yes, sir, Mrs. Hill told me. Then he said, yes, sir, I know about it through Mrs. Hill. Mr. Hill, and my wife has gone for a long holiday. And do you know that my wife has also gone for a holiday for a long time? Annie, I know, sir, but she will come back. I will look after you while she is not here. Then Annie said, yes, sir, I also know this, but I will take care of you until she will be back. Mr. Hill, I won't have much money. Mr. Hill told her that I don't have much money with me to pay you. Then perhaps I won't be able to pay you. Maybe this can happen that I won't be able to pay you as well. Then Annie, it doesn't matter, sir. I have saved some money. So I don't need any now, but I want to stay here, sir. It's my home. Then Annie said, okay, sir, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me. But I have some money, I have saved it. But this is my home, I don't want to leave. I want to stay here. Mr. Hill, thank you, Annie. Annie, shall I bring tea now, sir? Later, please, in about half an hour. Very well, sir. So, he doesn't want to have tea this time. After half an hour, he asked Annie to bring tea. Annie goes out. Mr. Hill puts his feet on the chair again and closes his eyes. So, now, scene 3. George, it's almost 4:30. Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill, waking up. So, students, in scene 3, Mrs. Hill comes into the room. Her husband is still asleep. So, students, here I think there is some mistake. Mrs. Hill, यहाँ Mrs. Hill आना था. George, it's almost 4:30. So, she asked him that he is sleeping till now. Mrs. Hill, Mr. Hill waking up. Then Mr. Hill, he woke up. What's that? 4:30? Oh, it's you, dear. Then he said, oh, what's that time? 4:30? And it's you? Mrs. Hill, yes, of course it's me. Mr. Hill, then you haven't gone to your sister? Mr. Hill was surprised that his wife has not gone to your sister. Then, Mrs. Hill, what are you talking about? I haven't been out of the house. You have been asleep all the afternoon. Then Mrs. Hill was a little annoyed. She was saying, what are you talking about? I was in the house. Whole afternoon I was in the house, but you were sleeping. You were sleeping, Mr. Hill. Have I? Then I was dreaming. He remembers the dream. It wasn't a very pleasant dream. So now he came to know about it, that he was sleeping and it was a dream. Now he was saying that it was not a pleasant, it was not a nice dream, it was a bad dream. Mrs. Hill, you must tell me about it. Shall we have tea now? Then Mrs. Hill said, you must discuss your dream with me. I also want to listen to the dream. Mrs. Hill, Mr. Hill, that's a good idea. I need a cup of tea. So they agreed for a cup of tea. Mrs. Hill rings the bell for Annie. Mr. Hill, by the way, dear, have you spoken to Annie yet? Then Mr. Hill asks his wife that have you told Annie about that what I have told you to tell her? Mrs. Hill, not yet. Give me a chance. I have been busy, but I haven't forgotten. I will tell her this evening. Then Mrs. Hill said, give me some time. I will tell her about this her in evening. I was busy. Mr. Hill, I was thinking about it again. Perhaps we ought to keep her. She has been with us a long time and she may not get a new job. I told you that, dear. Then Mr. Hill, because of that dream, he told his wife that I think we should keep her. She's been here for 20 years, for a long time. Now we cannot do that to her. Then Mrs. Hill said, yes, dear, I told you that. Then Mr. Hill, I agree with you now. Of course, she is not a good cook, but she works hard. Yes, it's right. She is not a good cook, but she is a hard working person. Yes, she works very hard. Mrs. Hill also agreed with this, that Annie works hard. Perhaps she needs help in the house. We can get someone. So Mr. Hill said, maybe she needs a helping hand in the house. We will bring someone. That's a nice idea. Annie will like that. But what about your dinners? Who will cook when your friends come? Then she asked, it's all right, but what about your dinners? When your friends will come, what about that? Then he replied, oh, the dinners aren't important. We won't ask people very often. I am glad. I never liked those dinners. After a moment, but George, why have you changed suddenly? You are quite different now. Am I? I am glad you say that. Was it your dream? You must tell me about it. No, I don't want to talk about it, but I won't forget it. Then, you know, there was a change in George now. Mr. Hill has changed a little bit. He had starting taking care of people now. And his wife, she understood that there is something about the dream. She wanted to ask him. But George, Mr. Hill, he did not want to talk about the dream, but he won't forget that dream. Annie comes into the room. Annie, shall I bring tea now, madam? Then she asked about the tea. So this is the whole chapter we have studied, a bad dream, how a bad dream changed an attitude of a person. You know, in the from the beginning only we must be nice to our fellow beings. We must consider all the things, not on the prodigal basis. Prudential basis means हमें सिर्फ अपना लॉस एंड प्रॉफिट ही नहीं देखना होता. We must think about morality also. Okay students, revise the chapter. Other things we will do in the next video. Thank you students, have a nice day.